Today I'll be showing how to make sweet potato flour from the comfort of your home. All you'll be needing is just your sweet potatoes. Make sure your sweet potatoes are washed before slicing. What you'll be needing to slice this is either your vegetable grater or a sharp knife. The next thing to do is to cut this into flimsy slices. Make sure the slice you're cutting is not thick so your potato can get dried easily. After cutting this, give this a good wash till you can see no traces of sands in your potato. You can wash this as many times as you want. Just make sure there are no traces of sand in your potato. After giving this a good wash, the next thing to do is to soak into water for 24 hours. Make sure the water is above your potato level. You cover this up and make sure you soak this for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is what it looks like. The water will look cloudy and it might give you a fermented smell. The next thing you do is to remove the previous water from the soaked potato, then give it a good wash with clean water. After giving this a good wash, pour it back into a clean water, then you cover it up and set it aside for 12 to 24 hours. This is what it looks like after setting it aside for 12 to 24 hours. You can see how cloudy the water looks. Get rid of this water and add in clean water, then make sure you wash this off. Why we are washing this off is because we don't want our sweet potato flour to have a foul smell. After doing that, the next thing you do is to pour it into clean water and set it aside for 12 to 24 hours. The potato needs to soak for 3 good days, and after every 12 to 24 hours, the water needs to be changed. Now, after soaking for 3 days, the next thing to do is to wash this, give this the last wash and set it into a sieve to drain out the excess water on the sweet potato body. This is what we have after soaking, fermenting for 3 days. I'll go ahead to sun dry this. This is what the sweet potato looks like after sun drying for 3 days. You can also use your dehydrator if you have one. This will make the drying faster. You can see I can break this with my finger. It is perfectly dried. Make sure your potato is well dried. After that, you can take your dried potato to your local mill to get it blended. And if you have a heavy duty blender at home, you can use that to blend your dried potatoes. And here we have it, our sweet potato flour is ready. You can use this to make swallow just like amala. This flour has no foul smell at all. It looks and feel like amala, but it is not as brown like amala. This swallow is easily digested. So if you are looking to lose weight, you can also add this to your diet. If you found this helpful or have any question on how to make this, kindly leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.